Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. So AVAX is currently at a make or break point here, and I'm spotting a potential impulse that could develop here. So I want to make you aware of it, even though that this is so early. So we can't really say that we have bottomed yet or anything, but we're obviously watching several charts here, and if we are spotting anything interesting, then I'm going to make you aware of it. I mean, this certainly has come down far enough in this bear market. I had here before, I think we discussed in previous videos here, this sort of target area between 928 and 1182. We've come into this area, we're currently retesting it from below. We're also retesting the wedge pattern from below. A break out of the wedge pattern could indicate a larger reversal. That is what it is, you know, and so let's take a look at it. And it's of course way too early. I mean, zoom out here. This certainly could still go down lower, because the current move that we see to the upside or have seen over the last few days is not strong enough to indicate any trend reversal on the daily chart. However, on the lower time frames, we're spotting here potential tradable impulse. So let me show you what is happening here on the lower time frame. Again, I'm not telling you this is definitely going to go up from here, but it's something I'm observing. And if we get a proper impulse here, then it is obviously a chance to enter in the next correction, because what we normally are waiting for is a first sign of an impulse, because we're coming from a really long downtrend. Yeah. So what we don't want is something like this: A, B, C, a three-wave move to the upside. We want an impulse, and this could become one. Now, to be fair, this could be this could also become an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave, and then come down. But obviously, these patterns build over time, and as the pattern builds further, the confidence increases as well. So a first impulse is always a first sign that the trend could be changing. So we are observing it. This could become a wave 1, come down in a wave 2, entry area in a wave 2, then move up in a 3. If it reaches certain Fibonacci levels, it increases the probability that this is going to become a really nice trend reversal. Then here a wave 4 and a wave 5. When we've got those 5 waves complete, waiting for the ABC, another entry area, and that's how it builds, yeah? And that's also how it builds confidence. And those support areas give you a really good indication of where you set a stop loss should you be trading this. But why this is so interesting and why this is different from this is that this is a nice impulse actually. It's not finished yet. It's not finished, but we have reached certainly interesting Fibonacci extensions. So if I'm labeling this now, we've seen here a wave 1, 2 on the lower time frame. Then this would be the peak of a wave 3. I'm now looking at the possible wave 4 support area, and then another wave 5 to the upside. As we get this fifth wave, this might be the breakout of the wedge. So that's why I mean this is a make or break point. Either we die with an ABC, but why I'm showing you this, otherwise I probably wouldn't bother, but the wave 3 was very long, and that gives confidence that this could become something, because if I am looking now at the Fibonacci extensions, what you would normally expect as a minimum is the 1.618 Fib extension for a wave 3. That would have been here at 1142. This reached actually the 3.382 Fib extension. So it's quite strong, and it is enough, you know, info for a possible signal. So now if we look at the wave 4 target, we'd be looking at the area between the 23.6% Fib level. So let me just look at this. Yeah, so this is the area between 1191. We've already reached that. Next target and the ideal target would be the 38.2% retracement. I think we should reach that, but it's generally this area between the 23.6% retracement and the 50%. In this area, ideally, if this is becoming a 5-wave move, this is the reversal area. So if it drops below that, it's probably going to fail. So a move below 1147 on a sustained basis would most likely lead to another low, or maybe even a reset of a 1-2-1-2 setup then. But then the next support is the 78.6% retracement at $11. Yeah, if it goes below that, then this chance is over to the upside. But here we have a very early possible trend reversal. That's certainly good for observing. Maybe even here a tradable wave 4 support area for anybody who wants to do it. But then again, I have to say, really what you're trading is only a wave 5. That can be at times quite short, so be aware of that. What I would do personally, I would now wait for the retracement. So we've got the target area defined for the wave 4 where it can turn around, certainly a possible trend reversal area, but what I would be waiting for is if we get these 5 waves, that gives us higher confidence that this is a proper trend reversal. Then waiting for that wave to the downside, basically like this, yeah, waiting for this wave to enter. Because if we see 5 waves up, first signal that things are changing, 3 waves down, second signal, yeah, and the confirmation you'll get that this is something decent when you break above the wave 1 high then. But this is typically the area where I would scale in, so certainly something interesting to observe, and I wanted to make you aware of it. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe, and if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.